Kubernetes is a free and open source system for managing and orchestrating containerized applications. It was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF. In simple terms, Kubernetes provides a way to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Containers are a way to package software applications along with their dependencies and configurations, making them portable and easy to deploy across different environments. With Kubernetes, you can deploy and manage containers at scale, across multiple nodes and clusters of servers. Kubernetes allows you to define and manage your application's resources, including CPU and memory usage, storage, and networking. It also provides features like automated load balancing, self-healing, and rolling updates, which help to ensure that your application is always available and running smoothly. Kubernetes works by organizing your containers into groups called pods, which are then managed by a cluster of worker nodes. The Kubernetes control plane manages the deployment and scaling of your pods and nodes, ensuring that your application is running optimally and efficiently. Overall, Kubernetes is a powerful tool that simplifies the management of complex, containerized applications. It enables developers and IT teams to focus on building and delivering their applications, without worrying about the underlying infrastructure and management.